Building a website for your copy shop doesn't have to be expensive and it doesn't have to be too complicated either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-sites platform to build a simple, affordable website for your copy shop. Now, if you haven't heard of multi-sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. We pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you've joined the platform, first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top and search for our market, copy shop. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Excellent. Let's tell Marty starts a few basic details about our print shop or copy shop so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, city and state or region. Once you click on continue, Marty Sites will automatically generate a simple website for your business and do all the hard work when it comes to creating a website for your copy shop. Once you click on continue, it will automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Let's get cracking. The beauty of multi-sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. Also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your websites. Maybe you want to make 1 or 2 amendments to this content. Perhaps you don't offer all these services. You don't need to be a web professional in any kind of way. You don't need to know any website coding, and you certainly don't need to hire someone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers, so let's go ahead and check that box. Phone number, click to call, by the way, and physical location. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. Underneath update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your multi-sites website. If you've got a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it over here. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames by clicking on that little pencil. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Awesome. If you want to change the colors you use throughout your multi-sites website, you don't need to know color coding. Click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palette options available for you to use. There's so many options to choose from. For each section, you want to make amendments to make it a bit more personalized to your very own business. Click on update section. Underneath update images where you can browse your device and upload your own images or search through that photo library. Got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in those photos if you have a profile. Now, underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons. You can change the text on the buttons, where they're linked. You could even upload a PDF file. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you on your multi-sites websites. Keep track of all your leads in your multi dashboard. If you have a custom domain, domains are really easy as well. You can click on the button, connect your domain at the bottom to set it up. It's really straightforward. If you don't have a custom domain for your website yet, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain by the multi-sites platform as well. Really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website on the multi-sites platform for your copy shop. And I'm really wishing you and your business multi success.